in this part. And after we had finished treating the running errors and running the project in the previous part, we will make the calibration on the inputted parameters to the project with the help of the observed data. And before making the calibration, we will rerun the project by using the time interval of 1 hour. So we got the control specifications, then a graded HMS run control, then we got the compute menu, then we choose simulation run manager, then we press on the new, then in the name we type 1 hour, then next, then finish. Then we go to the drop down menu at the top and we choose run 1 hour. Then in the time interval we choose 1 hour. Then we press on the compute all elements. Then the simulation starts. Then a message appears indicating that finished computing simulation run 1 hour. Then we press on the close. To preview the results, we go to the results menu, then simulation run, then we choose 1 hour, then we choose global summary, then the simulation results appear as we see. Then we go to the subbasin W1600, then we press on the graph which contains the discharge from 2003 to 2004. Then we go to the summary table. Then we preview the other results as we see. Then we go to the junction J308, and in it we preview the results by pressing on the graph. Then a comparison graph of flow in cubic meter per second appears between the observed flow and the resulting outflow, which appears to be approximately identical. Then we go to the summary table, and in it we preview the results and the computed results and in the observed flow as we see. Then we return to the components. Now we can make a calibration for the results. So we go to the junction J308, which precedes and flows into the Dokan Dam, and it contains the observed and computed data for the daily discharges. And before making the calibration, we go to the drop-down menu at the top. Then we choose Run Graded HMS Run. Then we make a right click on the junction J308. Then we choose Select Computation Point. Then we go to the Parameters menu. Then we press on the Computation Point Manager. Then we choose junction J308. Then we press on the parameters, then select. Then in the elements we choose W1200. Then we activate the parameters. Then select. Then we select the parameters for the rest of the elements in the same way as we see. then we press on the parameter settings, then we press on apply, then we press on the results, then select, then in the elements we choose J308, then we select the outflow and the observed flow, then close, then we make a calibration by going to the junction J308 and we make right click on it, then we choose calibration heights, then two windows appears, but the results in the graph results window do not appear, and the reason for that is that we must choose the last run in the drop down menu at the top. So we go to the drop down menu at the top and we choose run 1 hour, then we make a right click on the junction J308, then we choose calibration heights, then two windows appears titled calibration editor and graph results. We rearrange them as we see. Then we make a calibration by changing the values in the calibration editor window and preview the improvement on the results in the graph results window as we see. Then after we made the calibration, we press on the close. And we will continue the implementation in the next part. Then we save the project by pressing on the save.